Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Tej Reviews. I'm your boy Tej, and today we're talking iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12, Magsafe, all of that. So, as you know, the iPhone was announced on the 12th of October, came out today. So we're going to be doing an unboxing and initial impressions. Later on down the line, I'll give a full in-depth review on both of the phones, but today we're just going to unbox it and see what they're like. As you can see, the phone is slimmed down a bit, no brick, no headphones, but we'll get into that later on. But let's just dive into it and see what we got. Also, sorry about the sound, recording directly from my camera, didn't have my mic, so it might sound a little bit tinny, but yeah, it is what it is. So here we have the iPhone 12. Just so thin. Just look at it in comparison to the old iPhone box. Unreal. That's it. One hand opening the phone. Very nice. Lightning to USB-C. And pin, stickers, some paperwork. Does have a nice weight to it, definitely does feel premium, especially now it's got the 6.1 inch OLED screen. I do like this aluminium finish. It's got a dual camera setup here with the improved wide angle and ultra wide angle camera. Much better performance in night mode. Now we have the iPhone 12 Pro. And then the iPhone 12 Pro. Yeah, the iPhone 12 Pro definitely feels a lot more premium. The stainless steel is just gives it that edge. In comparison to the aluminium on the 12, the 12 Pro definitely does have that I'm better than you. It's got that I'm better than you attitude. Like it's just nice, especially the gold finish. I'm a big fan. I'm a big fan of this gold finish. It's like the Pablo Escobar phone, but much better, obviously. But yeah, same again. USB-C to Lightning, pins and documents and Apple stickers, Apple logo stickers. So throughout the whole new lineup, they are all 5G enabled. The 12 also comes in the mini, which is the 5.4 inch screen. So you now have a 6.1 inch Super Retina XDR display. So there's no longer LCDs now on the OLED screen, which is a big improvement. That's something I think is really, really cool, the fact that it's now on the OLED screen. So deeper blacks, just much more of a natural picture you're going to get when you're using the phone. It also comes in 5 finishes as well. This is the green, and I think this looks pretty cool. I like it. This green is pretty nice. It's quite fresh. It's got a fresh feel to it. That's what I like. I like a bit of freshness, you know. Green for the environment. So with the iPhone 12 Pro, you then benefit from the more premium finish. It's just got a bit more weight to it. This stainless steel finish, I'm in love with it. This gold is just so like pristine. It's just like really, really nice. This is the gold, like I've said before, and it's very nice. I've seen the blue as well. That's really nice as well. But yeah, this stainless steel is pretty banging. If you wanna just take up a notch, then the Pro is definitely the one. So yeah, as mentioned before, the iPhones don't come with the power brick. Apple want to reduce waste and look after the environment, which is fair enough. I think that's pretty cool. But they say that most people have a charging brick at home, which is true. But they have this one, the USB-A to Lightning. They don't have the USB-C to Lightning. Most people don't have this. Most people don't have the 11 Pro. So a lot of people are gonna have to go out and buy this now. If it was USB-A to Lightning, I'd have been like, fair enough, that's true. But Apple, we don't have this. A lot of people don't have this. Unless you bought the iPad Pro or the 11 Pro, you didn't get this, you know. So yeah, but it is what it is. Gotta go out and get a charger if you don't have one. Headphones as well. If you still use the AirPods or whatever, you're gonna have to go and buy some new headphones. But yeah, I mean, most people are moving to some sort of wireless earbuds now anyway, so these will be compatible with any Bluetooth headphones. So yeah, does make sense. Apple have introduced Magsafe to the new iPhone. So this is the Magsafe charger, which is basically a wireless method of charging your phone. The problem was before that with the regular wireless charging, you may not place it in a correct position and go about and do what you need to do, come back to see your phone wasn't even charging. With the Magsafe, it clips on and you're guaranteed to like get a good charge because it just finds it. So let me just open this up. So with the Magsafe, you get the instant attraction. So it basically just slaps on. So when I put it on, you just get the little animation similar to the Apple Watch, where it just basically clips on, and it's pretty stable. I mean, you can still turn it around, which is good because see, there you go. So it's not a really tight fix, but it's not gonna like slide off. Do you know what I mean? So if you put it on there, you ain't gotta worry about it moving along or anything like that. I don't know. I think it's cool. Yeah, I think the main thing about it is just the magnet. Wireless charging isn't anything new. The magnet just comes there just to secure it, and you know it's not gonna move, and your charger's gonna be there. You ain't gotta worry about it, and it's fast charging as well, which is very good. But yeah, just the magnets, they're not super strong. So if you use the wallet accessory, that could be a bit so-so, because if I've got my wallet on my phone, my cards on my phone, I want that to be on there. I don't want that to be temperamental and just slide out here and there. So yeah. So with the Magsafe charger, it also works with other devices as well. So if you have your AirPods, you can just chuck them on there. Other wireless charging phones as well, so even Android phones can work on there. So that's pretty cool as well. So yeah, if you want to use it with another device, you can. But the magnetic strip only works with the new iPhone. So if you used it with like the 11 Pro or the 10, the X, it won't slap and stick. It will just charge. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. It's just a quick video, unboxing them, seeing what they're like. I'm going to be doing a more in-depth review where I can show you what each individual feature is and which one you should go for, whether you should go with the 12 Pro or the 12, because the 12 this year is very good. There isn't a big gap between them. The 12 is a really good phone this year, especially with that OLED screen. Yeah, it's tight. So yeah, look out for that. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Peace and love, and I'll see you guys in the next one.